GCSE Chemistry. Welcome. Are you excited for a fun learning session? Make sure you have your book and a pen before we start. Today you are going to learn about pollution. Pollution. Rainwater that is more acidic than usual due to air pollution. It is usually caused by higher levels of sulfur dioxide and nitrogen oxides. Pollution is a substance that causes harms to living things when they are released into the environment. Impurities are unwanted substances that are mixed into useful substances. Rainwater is naturally acidic due to carbon dioxide mixing with water in the clouds. Acid rain has a pH of lower than 5.2. Hydrocarbons can have impurities of sulfur present. When these hydrocarbons are burnt, sulfur reacts with oxygen and sulfur dioxide is formed. Nitrogen oxides are formed when nitrogen and oxygen react in the high temperatures of car engines. Sulfur dioxide and nitrogen oxides react with the water in clouds to form acidic water. This water falls to earth with precipitation. When precipitation with nitrogen or sulfuric acid falls to earth, it causes damage to living things and other structures. Most plants require fairly specific soil pH, and acid rain affect this. This causes crops to die or not grow and can lead to food shortages or increased prices. Acid rain can react with minerals in the soil and deplete the soil of the nutrients plants need to grow. This can cause the loss of trees in forests. This impacts habitats, local food chains, and a lack of trees can have other impacts such as flooding. Acid rain decreases the pH of river, lake and seawater. This has a devastating effect on fish populations and by causing the insects they eat to die and by preventing fish eggs from hatching. This has a knock-on effect on the food chain. Acid rain reacts with certain types of building materials, particularly those made from marble or limestone, in the reaction of calcium carbonate with acid. Calcium sulfates and nitrates are more soluble than calcium carbonate and as such are much more easily washed away, and so buildings weather more quickly. This increases costs as buildings need fixing more frequently. It is also a concern for older buildings and statues of historical importance, as these are often made from limestone. Catalytic converters in cars are devices that convert most of the nitrogen oxides into harmless nitrogen and oxygen. Catalytic converters normally use a platinum catalyst.